other leg rod. Okay, so you have
Down the pavement, feel the heat. Heart races to the primal beat. Sweat dripping down, grit and grind. The warrior spirit I must find. Steel and iron clash in mind. Push the limits, break the mind. Muscle strain and fire in veins.
Hi guys, welcome to another video of Incorporate Fitness. From the warm-up, you guessed it right. Today it's legs, all legs. So we will start, that's a warm-up, and you will see a lot of more functional and other leg exercises as well, including squats. So I'm going to teach you the basics of squats so that you can start doing that right, okay, on the rod. Okay, then we'll take it from there. Today, Dr. Raj Prabhu is helping me set up the instructions. All right. So this is a squat. All right. So we are on a squat rack. Okay, and we have all of them to work out today. So I'm just going to teach you the basic today, nothing else. So this is an Olympic rod. Okay. So you have striations and marking on that. So if you see that rod, you can see a striation. So what he's done, he's run his middle finger over that. You can choose any finger to do that, but do it on both sides with the same finger. All right. So then you pull yourself to correct yourself to be in the center of the rod. Then warp yourself, come underneath, bring your elbows down. You are lifting the weights with your hand, not with your shoulders. Do not rest the weight on your shoulders, but lift it with your hand. And so the elbow is directly under the palm and wrist is neutral. Don't keep your wrist tilted like this. Keep it neutral. So he's kept it neutral. Now squat all the way down. Keep your legs square with your shoulder width. With a slight V inclination. Try to keep your knees, tight. And there goes the squat. Okay, so that's the squat. You can see that. Alright. So let's do a wonderful squat. So that's today's learning. Thank you.